everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and thank you to all my old and returning subscribers. You guys are always amazing. So guys, as you all can see, it is raining and gloomy, dull at the same time. But even though the weather was very dull, I needed to do this cleaning. Like, I needed to get my house cleaned, though my house is not really that dirty, but I needed to change blankets, I needed to change my sofa sofa cover, I guess that's what it's called. Yeah, so hence why you guys are seeing blankets all over the place. But I decided to split this video into two. I just wanted this living area to be a separate video on its own, so I can always refer to it. Hence why I splitted it. But please make sure to subscribe, turn on your bell notification, and stay tuned for the other part of this video. But in this particular one, we are going to be tackling the living area. I'm going to be dusting, vacuuming, and changing my sofa cover. In my previous cleaning video, you guys saw when I took off that black cover. So after I did that, I'm like, no, I can't let this sofa go this way. My kids will destroy it for me, and I don't want that. So I went on AliExpress and purchased another sofa cover. And just stay tuned, watch this video to the end to see how I transformed my sofa. And yeah, so you already saw how the living room looks, because I always like to show you guys the before and the after. Yeah, we are going to be, tidying things up, picking up some things off the floor, and vacuuming, and then we'll finally get to the stage where I changed the sofa cover. Like, that was my favorite part of this video. Like, you don't even understand how happy I was when I finally changed it. At least I can rest my mind that my kids will not stain it. I want my sofa to last very long. So before I put on the sofa cover, I'm going to go ahead and vacuum it. I always like to vacuum my sofa whenever I'm cleaning, and that is because sometimes, you know how kids can be. Sometimes they like to eat in the living room. No, though we don't allow them to eat in the living room, but sometimes when we give them like brioche, cake, before you know it, they will all run and sit in the couch instead of staying in the kitchen. I always tell them to stay in the kitchen and eat, but sometimes they forget themselves and they eat in the living room. So after eating, especially my last baby, you can't really control her that much, because at this stage they do mostly what they like. So whenever they eat in the living room, sometimes you see crumbs like all over the place. So that is why I vacuum my couch, and sometimes you can see dust on the couch. And yeah, all those reasons are why you should vacuum your couch from time to time. So I'm just going to go ahead and dust with my vacuum cleaner. I'm not going to be wiping as much in this video, because that vacuum cleaner does a very wonderful job. Like, I still get amazed at how it vacuums and leaves your space spotless. Like, it looks, after vacuuming with that thing, it looks as if you wiped it with a cloth. Like, I don't know how, especially that place I'm doing right now, that thing that I used to hold my tablet, is always collecting dust because it's black in color, obviously. So you guys know that blacks always collect dust. Like, it is so visible. When, like this white one now, you can't really see the dust, but I can see it very well in real life, but the camera is not showing it very well. But this black one, you can see it at the back there, though the vacuum didn't really go in because of the head of the vacuum, so it didn't go in. Yeah, but black stuff black surfaces always collect a lot of dust and it looks so visible, like you can see it from afar. So because the vacuum cleaner didn't really go at the back there, I went ahead and grabbed a wipe and then wiped back there. Now here comes the sofa cover, which I purchased from AliExpress. I'm going to write the name on the screen, how you can find it on AliExpress. This is what it looks like on this leaflet or on this piece of paper. So I went there, I was searching for, sofa cover, and that is where I got my other black sofa cover, which you guys have been seeing in, most of my videos. So I went back to search for it again, and then I saw this very beautiful pattern and design. I loved it. I thought it would look cute in this living room, so I went ahead and purchased it. And the other one is still here. As soon as I took it off from my couch in that video, I washed it and then packaged it and put it where it is supposed to be. Okay, I'm still going to be using it from time to time. If I feel like I'm tired of this one, I'll just change to the plain black one. Yeah, so I'm just going to put it. I watched a video on how to put this. The first one we bought, which is the black one, my hubby was the one that fixed it, and it took us a lot of time to be able to figure it out. But this time around, I watched a video on how to put sofa covers, and it was a lot easier for me. You guys are seeing it in this video. It was so much easier. They said you should look for where the label is, and that should go to the bottom. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, maybe you should. If you buy it and you can't put it, just type on YouTube how to put a sofa cover. You will see a video on how to do that. That was what I did, and I was able to put this in no time. So I'm going to vacuum the back of the chair because you guys saw what was going on there, though it wasn't really much. Yeah, but I had to vacuum it. And one thing again that this vacuum does is that after vacuuming, it leaves your surface, like your floor, very neat, that you don't even need to mop it. You get? So I didn't have to mop in this video. I didn't mop, I just vacuumed, and that was it. So over here, what you see me doing is using the tiny foam strips to, put the cover very well, to balance well. That is what they showed there, hence why they put it for you. This will prevent the cover from slipping and moving around all the time. I hope you get that. And as always, my cute little madam is by my side. She's always by my side, so you'll be seeing her a lot. Okay, I hope you guys don't mind. I don't know what to do. Okay, you can't chase her away. Even when I tell her to go and sit down, she still comes back. So please bear with us. This is supposed to be a Jessica Space TV channel, but it's gradually turning to Jessica's Family's TV channel. Guys, don't mind me, I am so excited. Now here is the before and the after of what my couch looks like. Let me know in the comment section below, which one do you prefer, the before or the after? As for me, I prefer the after. Now here is the cover for the center table. And you saw what I did now. I was like, is this small thing going to cover this thing? Because I was scared. I didn't buy it from the same person. This is one thing with AliExpress. I had to start looking for this one separately after buying the 2 sofa covers. We have 3-seaters and 2-seaters here. So after I saw those, I started searching for this particular one, and luckily enough, I was able to find it. But when I saw it, I was so skeptical about whether it was going to fit or not. I'm like, okay, let me just buy it. Even if it didn't fit, I'll just keep it, But when I put it, even though I struggled to put it to and it didn't really cover it as much as the one for the sofa covered it. I don't know what I'm saying, but I hope you get that. It didn't cover it down to the bottom, but at least it's manageable and it's not really that noticeable. You can't really tell unless you come very close and just be looking at it very closely. That's when you can tell that it didn't really cover it all the way down to the bottom. So here is everything all fixed. Like, I'm super excited, I'm so happy, and you can see, as always, I'm giving myself a thumbs up for doing this all by myself without the help of my husband. When he came out and saw it, he was just standing there looking at it. He said, I thought you were going to call me. I said, okay, you think I cannot do without you? He started laughing. I told him, see, I can do without you. In some cases, I can do without you. Although I told him that I watched a video on how to do that, and yeah, I was able to do it all by myself. And right now, I'm just putting the decorative pillows just to, bring out the beauty of this sofa very well. You guys can see what is going on here. Like, I love my living area. And let me tell you guys, when my kids came back, come and see the way they were shouting. Although my older son came back before my first daughter and my second son, he came back earlier today, so he was there seeing everything happen, and he was even offering to help. You guys saw him helping me here and there. So when the other 2 came back from school, he was at the door welcoming them, telling them to come and see our new chairs, and they were so happy, shouting and very excited.
She's just here shouting, wow, wow, wow. Do you like it?
I like it too much.
I like it too much. Oh my God. My baby, I asked her, do you like it? She said, I like it too much. I wasn't expecting that. Wow. Oh my God. Sorry, baby. Sorry, okay? Is it this one you people will scatter now? Wait, when your siblings come back now. Scatter everywhere. Yes.
Honestly, I wasn't expecting that answer from my baby. Usually, if you ask her something, she will say yes. For instance, when I asked her, "Do you like it?" she would say yes. That is always her answer. But this time around, she said, "I like it too much." Like, I wasn't expecting that. I didn't know that this baby has grown to talk like this. Anyways, here is all I collected from the living room. I don't know why I like to show you guys. Whenever I'm done cleaning, I like to show you what the vacuum cleaner collected from cleaning. I don't know, it's so satisfying to me. But yeah, I'm just going to finally spray my living room with the linen spray, and that is finally it. You guys, this is the after look of what my living room looks like. It is so welcoming and so beautiful, refreshing, so clean. Like, you can see, please don't mind that yellow light there. Just ignore the yellow light. Our white bulb died on us, so we weren't able to get a new one. I had to put this yellow one just to clean this video because everywhere was so dark. I don't know, and I didn't want to bring out my ring light and be carrying ring light up and down, so I had to make use of the yellow light. Even though it's not looking that horrible, like, it even made the living area look so relaxing and so calming. Yeah, but this is it. We've come to the end of this video. This is what my living room looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do stay tuned for the other part of this video. It will be coming up very, very soon. And thank you guys so much for always watching and supporting my channel. I really appreciate. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye and have a lovely day.